Okay, girls, what are we going to do today?
We're gonna yank avocado.
We're going to what?
Yank avocado.
It's ready. Come on. Get ready. You're going to get that one. You ready? Let go of me. Got it. Yeah. Say it. Yay! Look. Yank. Come on. You ready? Get her. Come over here. Now show the camera what you got. What do you got? What did you do? Say it again. 1, 2, 3.
Yanked it.
Yay! Bye.